this is quite high intensity. Yeah, that is the reason why tennis is the best sport to extend your lifespan. Okay, let me introduce myself and then today's student. So my name is Dean Juseung Park. So and then this is Nico. Yeah. So hi Nico. You are completely beginner, right?
Yep, completely.
Oh, okay. Okay. So can we do warming up together? Yeah. So right from the single line to single line, move and toss and catch. Can you do this? Okay, good. It is very it is not easy.
Yeah, it's
Ready?
not easy.
Do it again. Go. Down. Up. Okay. Up and catch. Up and catch. Up and catch. Can you do this? Down and catch. Down and catch. Down and catch. And back. Down and catch. Bounce and back. Come on. Take your time. It's okay. Go. Go. Bounce and back. Bounce and back. Okay, this one is the simple coordination drill. So I'm gonna throw the ball. You just catch and back to me. Can you do this? Yes. Throw the ball. Okay. Okay. Throw the ball over the net. Yes. Good. Good job. I'm gonna let you run. Yes. Run. All right. Do it again. Yes. Do you know the name of the line? The middle line is the service line. Behind the service line, can you hit forehand, backhand?
Yeah.
Come on, come on. Come on, what you got? Come on, show me what you got. Ready, go? I give you the information how to hold the racket correctly. So do you know forehand, backhand? So you are righty, right?
Yeah.
So right side is, we call it forehand.
Okay.
And then left side is, we call it backhand, right?
Okay.
So right side, okay, forehand side, you are better to hold by dominant hand.
Yeah.
Or we call it one-handed forehand. So, okay, let me demonstrate. This one is a racket, right? This one is a racket top, and then racket edge. This one is a racket string, and then the racket stroke, and then this one is a grip, and then racket butt. Okay. So among the racket edge, it has flat. Okay, among the racket edge, we call it 1 point, and then second one 2, and then 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Okay. So forehand grips we call it 3 point or 3.5, right? So 3 point. So okay, can you show your palm? So this one is the index knuckle.
Okay.
Can I?
Yeah.
Can I make a dot? And then we call this one is the heel pad. And then can you line?
Okay.
This one. So place the line on the 3.
Okay.
We call it 3 point. Yes, and then shift it down a little. So can you hold the ball on the string? Yes. Yeah. And then this one. And then can you stand? And then one leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Behind, opposite foot. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then down. Up. 2 times. Ready? 1. Okay. 2. This is a beginner course. Ready? 3. Okay, go. And then can you run? This one. Holding the ball. And then backward. Yes. And then side step.
Oops.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Yeah, that is the target. Up and land the cone.
Okay.
Come on, let's go. Go, do it again. 1, yes. Okay, the ball height over your head, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay. And then backhand side. So backhand side is that right hand 2 point, and then, okay, let me show you. This one is the index knuckle and heel pad. Go, okay, do it again. 1, 2, 3, yes. 4. Oh, you are not a beginner.
I went so far from.
Yeah, it's
the
okay.
target.
Yeah, because this is the reflection. So reflect the ball. This is the light, and then this is the mirror. So the light going down, and then your mirror point to there, towards to there, it reflect to there. Okay, can you hit the ball? I hold the ball. Forehand. Forehand first. Forehand hit. Backhand. Yes. Forehand. Yes. Backhand. Yes. Forehand. Yes. Backhand. And yes. And then moving forward, you control the ball to the single line, and then back pedal, back step, like this. Can you do this? Ready, go. Forehand. Okay, right. It's okay. Come on. Okay, it is very difficult, right?
Yeah.
So, okay, just to control first, and then moving forward and backward. Let's go. Yes. Good job. Yes. Back step. Can you do this? 1, 2. Take your time. Do it again. Go. 1, 2, 3.
I cannot do backwards. I keep going forward.
Because yeah, your racket towards to there, so control the racket. Okay, you hold the 3-point forehand grip and then sideways, and then hit the ball to up diagonal. Yeah, just to hit the ball to me. Can you do this? Yes. Make it 5. 1. That's 2. Okay, 3. Can you stand sideways? Okay, good. Come on, let's go. It's okay. Ooh, okay, let's go. Come on, control to me. Yes. Go. Yes. Go. Yes. Okay. 2-point and 7-point. And then sideways, this way. Yes, and then up, forward, go. Yes, go. Yes, 4, go. Yes, 5, go, sorry. Yes, 6, go. Okay, 7. Okay, and then can you mix it? Forehand, backhand. Forehand, backhand. You can hold the right hand on 3-point, and then when you switch the grip, so you don't have to change the grip.
Okay.
Only hold the 3-point on forehands, right hand, and then 7-point like this.
Okay.
Yes. Go. Yes. Go. Yes. Go. Okay. Yes. Okay. Good job. And then move on to behind one. Yes. Okay. It's a little bit harder. Okay. Come on. Make the racket face towards to the target at contact point. You know what I mean? If you contact like this, it might go to there. It's just a reflection. To make 10-point, okay, how to do? Hit the ball on the center of the string. I give you 1 point. Over the net, I give you 1 point.
Okay.
And then hit the ball to me, I give you 1 point. Make it 10 in a row.
Okay.
Okay, if you miss it to the net, and then outside, okay, you're gonna do reset. Okay, ready? Go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, good job. How to coordinate the timing and then how to make the contact point. So this is the best drill to run a simple technique in tennis. Make the racket position like this, flat here, and then hold the ball by non-dominant hand. Then toss and hit in over the net. Yes, good job. Yes, your racket top. Oh, okay, hold on. This, and then toss and hit. Here. Yes, like this. Here. Okay. Bounce and hit. Okay. Let the ball bounce. Okay. Let the ball bounce and hit. Okay. All right. Let's go. Okay. Do it again. Take your time. Ready? Ready? Push on. Take back. Toss and hit. Go. Understand? The drop and hit. Do it again. Yes. Ask you. So why you hit the ball there?
Because my
Yeah.
angle is...
Yeah, angle. Yeah. So angle. So if you contact like this, where will the ball go? Forward, right?
Yeah.
Here.
Okay.
Where will the ball go?
There.
Yes, there. Here. Where will the ball go? Right?
There.
So you hit the ball time there, right?
Mm-hmm.
So why? You contact here.
Okay.
So solution.
Forward.
Do you have any solution?
Push
Hit
it.
the ball there.
Bring it forward more.
Yeah. So because why you hit the ball there, you toss here. You know? So that is the reason you contact like this. So the solution is that toss to in front here,
Okay.
and then hit the ball there. Right? Can you do? Yes. Correct. Good job. Do it again. Go. Yes. And then, do you know the finish? Hit and catch the racket over the shoulder. We call it finish. Can you do this? Same as well? Yes, good job. Perfect. Sure, like this. Right away. Go. Yes, good job. And then move on to ready position. Ready position is that you get the ready like this. So you hold the racket by non-dominant hand on racket throat. This one is the ready position. And then toss, turn, and hit. Can you? Yes, good. Can you set up like this? Here. Okay, toss and turn sideways. Ready? Go.
Toss.
Yes, yes. Okay, just to visualize yourself. Toss, turn all the way, turn, and hit. Go. Exactly. Yes, good job. Yes. All right. Toss higher than over your head. Toss over your head. Yes. And then toss lower. Yes. Good job. I feel the point. Ready position? Yes. Go. Yes. Ready position? Good job. Yes. Come on. Ready position? Yes. Come on. Do it again. Come on.